What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Jira to Google Sheets. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Google Drive. Now, after coming to the Google Drive, on the left side, you can see the option of New. Click on this New button and then click on Google Sheets. Now, after clicking on Google Sheets, a blank Google Sheets will appear. Now, at the top, you can see the option of extensions. Click on this extensions button and then hover to add-ons. After that, click on get add-ons and then search for Jira Cloud for Sheets in the search bar of Google Workspace Marketplace. And then here, this is the extension Jira Cloud for Sheets. Click on this and then simply install it. After that, it will ask you for some permissions. Just simply grant the permissions and then sign in your Jira account. And here, as you can see, Jira Cloud for Sheets has been installed. Then simply click on next and done. And after that, you can see the add-on of Jira Cloud for Sheets. Click on this and then click on open. And after that, a section will open on the right side, as you can see, for Jira Cloud for Sheets. Now from here, you can perform multiple tasks like what's new, frequently asked questions, and Atlassian integrations. And then this will show you that your Jira site to get started, you need to just connect it. After clicking on connect, your Google Sheet and your Jira account has been connected. So this is how you can connect Jira to Google Sheets. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.